All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Today, I just got a new set of 4-play wheels in, and they are straight cold, legit, lit, sick, nasty. Anyway, this is their new Gen 3 series. This specific one's a 22x12. It's their 4P06. 4P06. If you guys don't know about 4-play wheels, man, they are one of my favorite wheels that are on the market. They're super reasonably priced for what they are. And on top of that, they're solid quality-wise. They come boxed up really nice. I unboxed some of it already. But that just gives you an idea. We offer tons of different wheels and tires in-house. Pretty much any manufacturer that you guys may be interested in, we can easily get you. 4-plays definitely always been at the top of my list. If you guys don't know about them, you should. And if you guys like the 4-play wheels, make sure you guys drop a like on this video because these things are sick nasty. All right, you guys ready? Watch this. You ready? Come on. Boom! Pop, son, training. Anyway, that's a 2212 in a 4-play wheel. I love the machining with the tinted clear coat over top. It looks really good. You got some really cool looking accents. Definitely different slotted on the face. You can see 4-play engraved on the wheel right there. Anyway, if you guys are in the market for wheels and tires, definitely Dlux Motorsports, one-stop shop, Latson, South Carolina, Greater Charleston area. That's one of the new 4-play wheels. And then this is also, let me shoot you up into my office. This is another bronze series that they came out with. The bronze series is a straight, cold, legit, lit as well. That's all awesome. That's an awesome series as well. I'll do a couple more videos on some of these 4-play wheels when I get them. I coach a lot of customers to look at some of their stuff. Most people, a decent amount of people in the lifted truck community really don't know about 4-play wheels, and they're missing out. They got some really cool sizes. They're very well known for the concave design. They brought the concave, they brought the concave to the market, man, and they look good. Anyway, if you guys are in the market, it's your boy Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Give us a call, 843-697-7501, or shoot us an email, drop a comment on this video. If you guys got any questions or you guys want to know about different sizing, I know they do 2210s, 2212s. They don't and probably won't really get into the 14, 16 wide stuff. But dude, these are perfect for 6-lug, 8-lug trucks. Just a freaking beautiful wheel in person too, man. The quality is on fire. I'm talking fire. Anyway, you guys are going to see a lot more of your boy on the YouTube this year. I'm getting back on the YouTube and the gram. If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you guys do as well. Dlux_Motorsports. Follow us right there on the Instagram. That's where I post all of our stories for all the new trucks that we buy and sell. It's an easy place to see what type of inventory we got. Eventually, we may roll into an e-commerce site or something. Little Audi R8 bumper. Doing a little bit of work to that one. A little twin turbo joint. A little Z06 bumper. And you guys know, you guys stay fired up at the shop. You got to have a monster machine. Come on now. Anyway, if you ain't following me, you better. Because this year, this shit's going down. Anyway, next time, next video, drop a like, hit that sub button. You know the deal. It's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.